Hello all, welcome to Deepa Bakes. This video is for the beginners who want to bake at home. So let's get started. Weighing scale. This weighing scale helps us to measure what the recipe says. So if you want to measure, just switch on the on button and place a vessel, press the tab button. Once it shows 0, then you can pour or place the maida, whole wheat or anything that you want to measure, and that's it. Measuring cups and spoons. These cups and spoons are like 1 cup, 1/4 cup, half a cup, and even in teaspoons it shows half tablespoon, 1 tablespoons in this way. So if a recipe says half a tablespoon, you can check the spoon which is half a tablespoon and take a maida or whole wheat that the recipe says. Take a heapful of spoon. Take a spoon, level it up, and this is your half a tablespoon of maida. Electric hand beater. This is such a boon to the baking that it will be an easy go for you to bake. This beater will be ranging from 1500 to 2000 rupees and it has 5 power levels so that you can increase or decrease your speed depending on your recipe. If you want to eject, you just press this button and it comes out. Balloon whisk. For many recipes, you can use this balloon whisk. It's just a time consuming and it takes lots of your energy. This is a replacement of your electric hand beater. Bowls. Always use a white glass bowl or a steel bowl. I prefer steel bowls. It is very convenient to mix the batter for the cakes. Spatulas. Always use a silicone spatula so that it doesn't stick to the batter. This silicone spatula will be of fully silicone. Don't use a detachable one. Sieve. These steel sieves helps you to sieve all the flours, that is the dry ingredients that is mentioned in the recipes. Always sieve before you are baking. Steel spatulas. It is helpful to apply cream and decorating your cakes. Pans. This is a circular pan and I always prefer using aluminum tins. You can get a wide inches like 4 inch, 5 inch and there are many types of inches that is available in the market. This is a bread loaf that you can use it even for tea cakes. Muffin trays. You can make muffins. You can place a cupcake liners in all these places and or else you can just butter it the place that is available and pour it the batter as it is. When you are using a cupcake liner, always use as ice cream scoop so that you will get an equal quantity of batter and you will get an nice cupcakes. Butter paper. This paper helps you to take the cake from the tin very easily. Just apply butter, dust it with maida, then place the butter paper, cut it into circular shape, then pour the batter into the tin. Once you bake it, tilt the tin and just remove the tin so that the cake comes out easily with the help of the butter paper. Oven thermometer. There are two types of oven. One is microwave oven and other is OTG, that is oven toast grill. When you have an OTG, this oven thermometer will be very helpful so that you can note the temperature inside the oven. So it's a must to get an oven thermometer if you are into baking professionally. Happy baking!